Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. So, in the last class, we have discussed regarding the design of column, right? And we have solved one problem. So, we will move on to the next problem. The last class, I have solved this problem, right? So, take down next one. Design, necessary reinforcement, design, necessary reinforcement for the RC column, RC column 400 into 600 mm to carry an axial load of 1800 kilonewton use M20 concrete and Fe 415 steel. So here what you have to do, hello, here what you have to calculate, load is given, the area of the column is given. So what you have to calculate here? Sushma,
Sir.
what you have to calculate here? Yes? Bharat? Vrunda?
Yes, sir.
So here what you have to calculate? What do you mean by design of necessary reinforcement? So as you know, it is a column.
Sir, spacing of lateral ties.
Directly you will go start with the lateral ties.
Sir, PU first we want to find out, sir. Area afterwards PU.
Okay, you have the load, right?
Yes, sir.
And this axial load you are going to convert to factored load. Correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what you are going to calculate here?
Spacing.
Okay, first you are going to calculate the steel which is required, right? The steel which is required, the total area of steel, correct? So you have to calculate the total area of steel, then the number of reinforcement to be provided, then the stirrups. Okay, so you are going to calculate the stirrup dia, then the spacing between each stirrup. Is that clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take down. Solution. So here axial load is given 1800 kilonewton, convert to factored load and check whether you are getting 2700, that is 1.5 into 1800. How much you're getting?
2,700.
Okay. So here even area of the column is given, right? Take down area of the column, that is 400 into 600. So it will be 2,40,000. Okay, over.
Yes, sir.
And here FCK is given, right? FCK is how much? FCK is 20 and FI is 415. Take down. Given FCK 20 Newton per mm square, FI 415 Newton per mm square. Okay, finished?
Yes, sir.
So as per IS 456-2000, you have a formula according to the clause. There is PU is equal to 0.4 into FCKAC plus 0.67 into FIAC. Right? So here, you know the AAC, area of concrete. So what is AAC? AC value?
0.02.
Previously, we have considered 2% of the area, right? But when we considered there was no column size was not there. That's why we are considered 2%. But here the column size is given. Okay, so you have to be very careful while considering for any of the problem. Okay, take down. AC is equal to, you know, the total area you have for what is the total area of this one? A is equal to, the total area is equal to area of concrete plus area of steel, right? Now, if you want area of concrete, what you have to do? Area of concrete is equal to A minus AAC, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take down. Area of concrete is equal to A minus AAC. So, which is equal to 400 into 600. That is the area of total area of the column minus the area of steel. Okay, finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will become how much? 6 4s are 24. It will be 24 into 10 power 4 minus AAC. Okay. So can you substitute in this equation to calculate the area of steel? How much it is? By using this equation, okay. So calculate area of steel. If you get area of steel, you can easily get the area of concrete, isn't it? So substitute the value in this equation. That is, you have PU value is 2,700 into 10 power 3 is equal to 0.4 into FCK values 20 and into, so here instead of AC value I have replaced with this term, okay, plus 0.67, FI is 415, okay, as it is mentioned in the question, and AAC I have to keep as it is. And now calculate EAC. What is the answer? Are you people calculating?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me the answer. So what is the answer? Bharat?
Sir, doing, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Two double 8 3, sir.
Yeah. 2,888, right? So you'll get AC is equal to 2,888.35. All are getting the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you have to check whether it is within the limit or not. Okay, as you know, for column, the minimum and maximum percentage of steel to be provided is 0.8% to 6%. Okay, so you have to check with the percentage of steel. So as you know, the formula that is PT is equal to 100 A, that is AAC by BD, or you can take 100 A. A is nothing but here you are going to take the area of steel. Okay. So substitute and calculate how much you are getting PT value, percentage of steel. So B and D is given here. Okay. That is 400 into 600. So what is the answer?
1.203.
1.2.
Right. You'll get 1.2%. So now you have to compare with the condition as per the Codal provision. So it is within the limit, right? So it is 1.2% is within the Codal limit, Codal provision limit. Okay. Take down. Therefore, it is within the limits. Therefore, it is within the limits. So now assume you have to calculate, you have the steel, now you have to calculate the number of bars, right? So to calculate the number of bars, assume the dia. So here I am going to assume 20 mm dia. Take down, assuming 20 mm dia. assuming 20 mm dia, this number of bars is equal to the area of steel which I have calculated divided by the assumed area of steel. So what is the answer?
Nine point one.
Okay. So you can't keep like nine numbers. Generally, we will prefer the even numbers. Okay. So here we are considering 10 numbers. Okay. Take down.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, provide 10 bars of 20 mm dia. So after this, what you have to do? You have the reinforcement and you have the dia. Then what is the next step you have to follow? Lateral ties, right? Take down. Lateral ties greater of the following. Lateral ties greater of the following. So in that, the minimum lateral tie is 6 mm. Sorry, the lateral tie condition is the 6 mm, and second is 1/4 of 20. 20 is nothing but the dia of reinforcement of the column. Okay, so which one you have to consider here? Darshan?
6 meters, sir.
6 meters.
6 mm.
Ah,
6 mm, sir.
okay. So generally, for any practical purpose, you will prefer 8 mm. Okay, you are not going for 6 mm. I think I shared the material with you in the this one, right? Classroom, and this one WhatsApp. Have you understood? Darshan? Okay. So you have to take 6 mm. Next, take down spacing of lateral ties. Spacing of lateral ties is the least of the following. Is the least of the following. That first one, least lateral dimension. Least lateral dimension for 400 mm. Second one, 16 times the dia of the main bar. And third condition is 300 mm. So among these three, the minimum is 300 mm. So you have to consider the 300 mm. Okay, take down. Therefore, provide 6 mm dia at 300 mm center to center. Is that clear? Is there any doubt in understanding the problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'll move on to the next problem. Finished, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take down. Next problem. Design necessary reinforcement for RC column 250 mm into 400 mm to carry an axial load of 1800 kilonewton. Use M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. Finish taking. The procedure is same just like previous problem. Okay, just check it whether the percentage of steel is within the permissible limit or not. Okay, if it is going beyond, so what is the solution? I will tell you. Till there the procedure is same just like the previous problem. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Please try to solve this up to percentage of steel. Check whether you are getting within the permissible limit or not. Then I will tell you if it is not within the permissible limit, what to do. Anybody solved? Darshan? Darshan?
Sir, solving, sir.
Okay. Madhusudan? Rasul? Anybody solved? It won't take much time, right? Maximum 5 minutes.
7.03%, sir.
How much?
7.03%.
Good, Disha. Right, it is 7.03. Whether it is within the permissible limit?
No, sir.
So when it is not there within the permissible limit, you have to consider the maximum percentage of steel, that is 4% as per the codal provision. Okay, so take down, therefore because of percentage of steel is greater than, take down, because the percentage of steel is greater than 6%, restricting the maximum percentage of steel to 4% of the column area. So this is as per the codal provision. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now take down AC is equal to 4% of the area, total area. So you'll get 4000 mm square, right? Check it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So you have the area now. What you have to do? You have to calculate the number of bars, right? Take down number of bars. Assume 25 mm dia. Assume 25 mm dia. Number of bars is equal to 4000 divided by the pi d square by 4, the area, the dia which you have considered. So you'll get 8.15. Check it out. What the answer, Chandana?